Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing on Windows. On your PC, search for Device Manager. Now click to open the Device Manager folder. Next, go to Display Adapters and right-click the NVIDIA GeForce. In the drop-down menu, select Update Driver. Then reach the Start menu and click on Windows Update on the left panel. Here, hit the Check for Updates button and it will check the updates of your system. After that, go to the Start menu and reach the Task Manager. Right-click on Chrome, end the task, and repeat this process with Google services. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.